As we say, Oshun, Ore Yeyeo, Oshun is the source of life. Her waters heals. Her waters give you life, vitality. And so Ejiogbe is one of the Odus, one of the main Odus that speak about honoring the mother. So let's honor our mothers. So, Ejiogbe, success is tied to his mother. When Ejiogbe wanted to become successful, he went to Ifa for divination. The Babalawos made divination, and Ejiogbe was told that your success in life is tied to your mother. You must take good care of your mother, and you will be successful. Ejiogbe's mother's name was Lamoju. There may be some other names. People might say, well, his mother's name was this, that, and the other. But the name that I know is Lamoju. So the core teachings of this is your foundation determines your elevation. The foundation in this story was Orunmila, was Ejiogbe's mother, was his foundation. So his elevation, his progress was tied to his mother. Why is the mother important in Yoruba culture? The mother, as we said earlier, the mother is the source of life. She is our spiritual backing. And I know I can say personally, my mother was my spiritual backing. Like my mother, since I was little, my mother stayed on me about taking care of the ancestors, changing the water on the ancestor shrines before I go to school, taking care of all of my Orishas, greeting my Orishas in the morning before I do. Like my mother played a major part in my spiritual growth and development and stability. And so I honor my mother, Iba Aratorun, for being my being the backbone of my spiritual grounding, and you know, other things as well, but she was that force that kept me grounded when it came to my spirituality. Even learning Ifa, my mother stayed on me about studying.